I became a millionaire at 19 and here's all my money. I'm gonna be honest, that looked kind of fake and it was actually risky getting all my money here, but just for the proof of it guys, I'm just gonna flash a little bit of money. And before you comment anything boys, this is for motivational purposes. I want to motivate you guys, whether you're 18, 19, no matter how old you are, you can still make money, and it's literally the easiest time to actually get your hand into this cash right here that I have. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh boys. My name is Ihsan, I'm 19 years old, I live in Dubai and I do dropshipping and e-commerce for the past 3 years, and I became a millionaire, finally, alhamdulillah. Now I know I've made so many videos, Dubai teen millionaire and stuff like that, but 3 years ago I actually started dropshipping and e-commerce, and it was one of the hardest journey I ever started. I remember actually not having enough money to pay for the taxi to actually meet my mentor, and on my way back home I would actually sit in the masjid in a mosque crying and thinking about, did I even make the right choice? The money that I spent, would it even give back anything to me? And I just would prostrate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and I just would ask, Ya Allah, make me rich, give me money so I can give back to others. And alhamdulillah, it finally came true, something that I've always dreamed of. And being rich is not something different than any other person, or in the other ways, it's not for you to be arrogant or, you know, have a higher standards than anybody else. I'm still as humble as I could get, I'm still respectful to anyone as I could get, alhamdulillah. Irrespective whether you're broke, you're poor, you're rich, you're a billionaire, you get the same amount of respect, and that's something alhamdulillah I'm very happy about. And I want you guys to actually stay to your true beliefs and to the ground that you got raising from. Fast forward 3 years now, I've had so many 6-figure stores, you know, doing dropshipping day and night, making new stores, new products, testing out so many things, starting my course, making a side income from that, and actually getting my money into crypto, from crypto making an app for Shopify for my students, having an income from that, to literally having an organic TikTok agency. Now I know I went too quick with all of those things, but I want to tell you guys the 3 main sources of income that actually made me a millionaire at 19. Now the first one would be actually dropshipping and e-commerce. That's something that I've actually got built from. That's something I actually got started with. That's how I made my first 100,000. So the way that I did it was very simple. I actually started here in Dubai. I started, you know, getting random products, testing it out. If it worked out, I would get it in large stock and I would actually sell it. Dropshipping and e-commerce here in Dubai is very simple and very easy. The market is not as saturated as UK or USA. So alhamdulillah, that's such a blessing. And I still to this day do dropshipping and I'm very blessed for it. And if you guys want to, of course, learn how I started, how I actually got to the point that I am in right now, of course, I have a mentorship which is called Hustlers Ecom, where I teach over 500 students to actually how to start their e-commerce and dropshipping business here in Dubai. And that's something that I'm very intrigued to actually continue in working in and, you know, growing it more. Now that's the second way of income that I have, and I'm very transparent to you guys, and I'm gonna be very honest. Sometimes the price was 1,000, sometimes 500. A few people have got it for free, close friends of mine, of course. That's my second way of income. That's how I made maybe 20-25% of my income. The third thing would be my agency, organic TikTok agency. That's something that's just been starting out to roll, you know, roll the money in. Basically, I help big brands actually advertise on TikTok. You know, a lot of brands are not actually using TikTok right now. So that's when I come in and I actually show them TikTok and how to actually take advantage of it. It's something that I could actually scale to a high point. And if you guys want to learn how I will do it and how I will actually process the whole thing, I'll make a whole tutorial on it as soon as I hit 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification. I have amazing videos coming out, boys, so I don't want you guys to actually miss out on it. Those are the main ways that I actually became a millionaire. The goal just keeps getting higher, but I'm very blessed and I'm very to the ground, alhamdulillah, for the position that I'm in right now. From here on, my future plan is to actually get a villa for myself. Now, of course, I'm way too far from it. I just bought a Bitcoin the other day, so that's something exciting, alhamdulillah. Maybe into real estate very soon, but that's my 1-year plan, inshallah. Within 1 year, I believe I'll be having maybe 10-20 million dirhams in my bank, inshallah. And the reason why I even say that is not to be cocky or anything like that, but because I believe in myself, and alhamdulillah, I've seen how I made my money, how I went through all of those things, through the stages that I think I would never come out of from and almost give up. But I know that at the end of every hardship there's ease and there's always a way out. So I never give up. I always continue my journey. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, boys. Just start. That's the main thing. Just start. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.